Imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution. Albert Einstein's assertion that imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution, presents a profound perspective on the relationship between imagination and knowledge. This statement not only highlights the intrinsic value of imagination but also critiques the conventional prioritization of knowledge. By emphasizing the boundless nature of imagination, Einstein offers a compelling argument for its crucial role in fostering progress and innovation. Imagination and knowledge, though interconnected, serve fundamentally different purposes. Knowledge represents the accumulation of facts, information, and skills acquired through education and experience. It is the repository of what is known, understood, and verified. However, knowledge, as Einstein notes, has its limitations. It is confined to the existing state of understanding and cannot transcend the boundaries of current realities. In contrast, imagination is the ability to form new ideas, concepts, and possibilities that are not immediately present to the senses. It is the creative faculty that allows individuals to envision what could be, rather than what is. Imagination has no such limits, it can encompass the entire world, transcending the confines of existing knowledge. It is through imagination that individuals can conceive of new possibilities, dream of innovations, and envision a future that extends beyond the present. Einstein's emphasis on the importance of imagination underscores its role as a driving force for progress. While knowledge provides the foundation of what is known, it is imagination that propels humanity forward. It stimulates creativity and innovation, leading to breakthroughs that push the boundaries of understanding and capability. Imagination fosters curiosity and exploration, encouraging individuals to question the status quo and seek out new frontiers. Furthermore, Einstein links imagination to the concept of evolution. In this context, evolution is not limited to biological change but encompasses the broader spectrum of societal, technological, and intellectual development. Imagination fuels the evolutionary process by enabling individuals and societies to adapt, innovate, and evolve. It is the birthplace of new ideas, technologies, and paradigms that drive human progress. The dynamic nature of imagination contrasts sharply with the static nature of knowledge. While knowledge represents a snapshot of current understanding, imagination represents the potential for future growth. Knowledge is essential for grounding and contextualizing new ideas, but it is imagination that breathes life into those ideas and transforms them into reality. This dynamic interplay between knowledge and imagination is what drives continuous improvement and advancement. In conclusion, Einstein's assertion that imagination is more important than knowledge challenges the traditional emphasis on knowledge as the primary source of value. By highlighting the boundless and transformative nature of imagination, Einstein underscores its essential role in driving progress, innovation, and evolution. This perspective encourages a greater appreciation for the creative potential of the human mind and the limitless possibilities that imagination can unlock. Ultimately, it is through the power of imagination that humanity can envision and create a better future. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Albert Einstein's metaphor, life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving, offers a profound insight into the principles of living a balanced and fulfilling life. By comparing life to riding a bicycle, Einstein emphasizes the importance of continuous effort, forward momentum, and adaptability in maintaining stability. This simple yet powerful analogy encapsulates essential life lessons that encourage resilience, growth, and a proactive approach to life's challenges. Riding a bicycle requires maintaining balance through coordinated physical actions and constant movement. When a cyclist stops pedaling, the bicycle becomes unstable and difficult to balance. Similarly, life demands continuous effort and progress to maintain equilibrium. Balance in life encompasses various aspects, including emotional, mental, physical, and social stability. Just as a cyclist must keep pedaling to stay upright, individuals must continuously strive, grow, and adapt to maintain balance in their lives. The notion of balance and movement is central to both riding a bicycle and navigating life. In both contexts, balance represents stability and the ability to remain steady despite challenges. Movement implies progress, action, and forward momentum. In life, movement is synonymous with growth, change, and continuous effort. Stagnation, or a lack of movement, can lead to instability and difficulties, much like a stationary bicycle becomes hard to balance. Continuous effort and progress are essential for maintaining balance. On a bicycle, this means pedaling and steering to keep moving forward. In life, this translates to setting goals, making decisions, and adapting to changes. The metaphor highlights that maintaining balance requires a proactive approach and a willingness to keep moving despite obstacles. It underscores the importance of resilience, flexibility, and the ability to adapt to different terrains and conditions in life. Einstein's comparison also emphasizes the need for adaptability. Just as a cyclist must adjust to different terrains and conditions to maintain balance, individuals must be flexible and adaptable to navigate the various challenges and changes in life. This adaptability is crucial for maintaining stability and achieving balance. Life is dynamic, and the ability to adjust and adapt to new circumstances is essential for continuous growth and progress. Moreover, the metaphor encourages resilience, the ability to keep moving despite setbacks and obstacles. Resilience is key to maintaining balance in life, as it enables individuals to overcome challenges and continue progressing toward their goals. This proactive and resilient approach to life ensures that balance is maintained, even in the face of difficulties. In conclusion, Einstein's metaphor of life as a bicycle ride emphasizes the importance of continuous effort, forward movement, and adaptability in maintaining balance. It highlights that, just as a cyclist must keep moving to stay balanced, individuals must strive for progress and growth to achieve stability in their lives. This perspective encourages resilience, adaptability, and a proactive approach to life's challenges. Ultimately, the metaphor encapsulates a profound life lesson about the necessity of continuous effort and growth for maintaining balance and achieving a fulfilling life.